using the Akai review keyword, and this particular ad, we know that this combination is profitable. So if we want to create a campaign for Akai Berry, we can use this particular keyword with this type of ad, or with this similar copy for this ad, and a landing page that looks something like this. Okay, here we can see that the average position for this ad is 5.76. So the ad shows up in the 5th and 6th positions. The last position that this ad showed up in was 6. If we can scroll down here, we can see that this ad, for example, had an average position of 4.6. Again, 4th and 5th position. And the last location was position number 2. So I'm guessing this advertiser is into trying new things. Here in the first last seen column, we get to see that this ad is quite a strong one. The first time PPCBully found this ad on this particular keyword was on August 30th, and the last time was today, November 26th, the time we're recording this video. This ad showed up 89 times out of 89 days out of 89 days that PPCBully looked for this keyword. So this keyword is very consistent in his performance. Again, we can see that PPCBully found this ad 209 times out of 210 times that it searched for it. Okay, this number, the variation, indicates the number of ads that PPCBully found that shares the same destination URL. As we can see, this keyword ad combination, the Akai review, and this ad, no other ad was found that shares the same destination URL. But if we scroll down here, do not buy Mona V, don't spend $160, etc. This ad uses the same destination URL as other 180 more ads here. Okay, so you can see that using the information that PPCBully went and gathered for us, we can know, and we know upfront what keywords work best, which ads perform better, and of course the combination of all three. I mean, the keyword, the ad, and when we click here, we see the landing page itself. Okay. If you go back to the keyword tab, okay, here is the keywords list. We can click on a specific keyword. Let's say I'm clicking on the Zola Akai. I get to see all the ads that are displayed for this particular keyword. We have this ad, for example, that is the most profitable ad out of all the other ads that are displayed for this keyword, and so on and so forth. The information is the exact information we've seen on the previous page. Okay, the checks here, the checks number indicates the number of times this ad was found or displayed since the first time PPCBully encountered this ad. Okay, let's click the check number and see beyond this screen. This chart shows us the position of the ad on each and every time PPCBully found it. As we can see, we're currently looking at the 1 month period. We can see that the ad was on the 1st and 2nd and sometimes on the 3rd position on the first page of Google AdWords. Here on November 21st, it was dropped to the 7th position for some reason. But all in all, we see that the ad remains a strong position on the 1st and 2nd positions. We can look at the 3-month period. You can see that this ad most of the time used to be in the top 3 positions, sometimes 4, once in 5th position, and once on the 7th position, but it usually runs on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd positions. Of course, we can look at 1 week or 6 months and play with this chart to better understand where we should place our ad, what is the optimum position to be in with a similar type of ad, a similar type of landing page, and the exact keyword. Of course, doing it by hand, by checking each and every day which is the the most profitable position for us can take a very, very long time, and PPCBully simply gives us this information in one look. If we scroll here, we can see the exact hours of the day this ad showed up in. Looking at this chart, we can see that this particular ad on this particular keyword runs all through the day. But if, for example, this bar here was missing, we can understand that between 2 and 3 a.m., according to the time zone we've set up in the account tab, this ad didn't show up at all. So this might tells us something. It might tells us that we shouldn't run our similar ad on a similar keyword between 2 and 3 a.m. For this particular ad, we can see that it runs pretty strong all through the day. Okay, so basically what we learned in this video is how to use the information that PPCBully gives us, that PPCBully collects to create more profitable and more accurate campaign right from the get-go. I'll see you on the next video with a couple of more tips and tricks on how to use the search function and how to set up the PI index to different numbers and what does that mean exactly. See you in the next video.